Imagine creating a cinematic music video, custom soundtrack, stunning visuals, animated characters, without ever touching a camera, instrument, or animation software. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Hey creators, welcome back to AI Lifestyle Revolution, where we explore how AI is reshaping how we live, work, and create. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how I made a full music video using nothing but AI tools. No budget, no crew, just creativity, and some killer prompts. Let's start with the music. I used Suno, an AI music generator, to create an original track in seconds. But the real magic came from using a master prompt I wrote with Gemini. Gemini took my ideas, genre, emotion, tempo, and turned them into the perfect prompt to feed into Suno. No need to be a music expert. Just describe the vibe and the AI does the rest. Pro tip: be as descriptive as possible. Think lo-fi synth pop with a dreamy tone and chill tempo. The AI will take it from there. Next, I moved on to visuals using Google Whisk, a free AI image tool that's surprisingly powerful. I uploaded a reference image of my character and selected an art style. Why? Because AI can be unpredictable. But with reference images, I locked in character design and style, ensuring all visuals were cohesive. Super important for storytelling. You can even reuse the same subject across multiple scenes. No weird face swaps or clothing changes. Now here's where things got wild. I used Google VO3 to bring my still images to life. Just by uploading my Whisk-generated character and writing a simple prompt, VO animated full scenes, lip-syncing, camera movement, emotion, the works. Want your character to sing? Just paste in the song lyrics as dialogue and separate each line with slashes. VO syncs the mouth to the lyrics perfectly. And get this, you can control singing speed by adjusting the number of lyrics. Fewer lines, slower emotional delivery, more lines, faster, energetic performance. Keep your prompts focused on action and mood, not character details. The visuals are already locked in. Use your words to choreograph the scene. Finally, I pulled everything into a simple editor, added the music track, synced the visuals, and made small cuts. No fancy effects needed. The AI did the heavy lifting. The result? A fully AI-generated music video that looks and sounds like a professional production, made by one person for free in a few hours. This is just the beginning. AI tools like Suno, Whisk, and VO are breaking down creative barriers. You don't need gear, you don't need training, you just need imagination, and the right prompts. If you found this inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Lifestyle Revolution, and let me know in the comments what AI project you want to try next. Coming up next, I'll be exploring how to use AI to create your own short film, so don't miss it.